In this Buzz tutorial, we will show you how you can create a copy of a course that you used in the past school year for the new school year. I am currently in my teacher app in Buzz. I know I am in my teacher app because when I look to the upper left corner, it says teacher app. To create a copy of last year's course for this year's students, I can do the following. Going to the right, I can go over here to the white square with the 3 lines and click. I can view past courses or I can view current courses. So depending on if you still see last year's course on your screen, you would go with view courses. If you do not see last year's course on your screen, you can go to view past courses. When you click into one of these screens, it'll list your courses, and then to the right it will list your course ID. So I'm going to find the course I want to create a copy of, and then I'm going to copy my course ID. Once I've copied my course ID, I'm going to X out. Now I'm going to create a copy of this course. To do this, I'm again going to go over to the right and click on that white square with 3 lines. But this time I'm going to click Create Course. I want to create a copy from my domain, and I'm going to paste in that course ID I just copied of the course. I'm then going to click Next. I'm going to click Next, and I can change the title if I need to. Change my dates, so I always want this to be, the end date needs to be the end of the school year, and then press Create. And this is going to create a copy of that course for me that I can use with my new students. Depending on how large your course is and how much you have in it will depend on how long it takes to create the copy. So don't panic if it's taking a bit, because if you've been teaching a while and you have a lot of things in your course, it's taking that long to copy those things. So you're going to see now on my screen, I now have a copy of this course. To place my students into the course, I can do one of two things. I can go to my people page. I can go up to my wrench and go to invite students. I'm going to make sure that they're students, and then I can generate a code. And I can use this code and give it to my students to have them enroll in the course themselves. So they would take this, they'd type it in. So the students would go up to their avatars when they come in, enroll in course, put that course ID in, press verify code, the course would show up and they would click enroll to enroll themselves in the course. If you don't want to do that and you would like them there already and you are one of our schools who uses the School Tool Sync, simply go up to the upper left, click on your 3 lines, go home, click on your 3 lines again, and you should be able to see the eLearning Web Help Desk here. You can click this, it'll take you to our ticketing system, and you can actually create a ticket to have your school tool ID put in for the new school year. And therefore your students would already be there on the beginning day, and you wouldn't have to worry about providing them a code or getting them logged in or into the course. So this was how to create a copy of a course from a previous one that had already been built and how to place your students into the new course.